Epsom salt and baking soda are common household items that can be used effectively to get rid of pests in your garden or home. Both of these ingredients are non-toxic and eco-friendly, making them ideal for people who prefer natural pest control methods. Here's how you can use Epsom salt and baking soda to tackle various pest problems. 1. Epsom salt for pest control. Epsom salt is primarily known for its ability to improve soil health, but it can also be an effective pest deterrent. Repelling slugs and snails. Epsom salt's rough texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and snails, causing them to avoid areas where it's sprinkled. Simply sprinkle a thin layer of Epsom salt around plants or garden beds where slugs and snails are a problem. Be cautious not to use too much, as it can harm plants when over-applied. Deterring cats. If you have issues with cats digging or urinating in your garden, Epsom salt can help. The strong scent of Epsom salt is unpleasant for cats, encouraging them to stay away from your plants. Sprinkle it along the perimeter of your garden or in areas where cats tend to frequent. Repelling mosquitoes. Epsom salt can also be dissolved in water and sprayed on outdoor areas where mosquitoes are a problem. While it won't kill the mosquitoes, it can repel them due to its high magnesium content. 2. Baking soda for pest control. Baking soda is another versatile ingredient with pest-repelling properties. It works in different ways depending on the type of pest. Eliminating ants. Baking soda can be combined with sugar to lure ants. The sugar attracts them, while the baking soda disrupts their digestive system. Create a mixture of equal parts sugar and baking soda and place it near ant trails or entry points. Ants will carry the mixture back to the colony, helping to reduce their numbers. Getting rid of cockroaches. For cockroaches, mix baking soda with flour and sugar to form a paste or sprinkle it around their hiding spots. When ingested by the roaches, baking soda reacts with the acid in their stomachs, causing them to die. This method is safe for humans and pets but should be used carefully to avoid inhaling the powder. Fungus gnats in the soil. A simple baking soda solution can help control fungus gnats in houseplant soil. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and pour it into the soil to reduce the presence of these pests. The baking soda helps dry out the larvae and prevent further infestation. 3. Combination use of Epsom salt and baking soda. In some cases, combining Epsom salt and baking soda can increase effectiveness. For example, you can use a mixture of both substances to control aphids and other soft-bodied insects. The combination creates an abrasive texture that deters pests while providing a mild but effective solution for plant care. Conclusion: Epsom salt and baking soda are natural, non-toxic ways to address a variety of pest problems, from slugs in your garden to ants in your home. By understanding the specific pests you want to target and using these ingredients appropriately, you can effectively reduce infestations without the use of harsh chemicals.